Fayetteville-Cumberland Parks and Recreation is partnering with the Sandhills Jazz Society to bring a new program for youth ages 10 to 17, where they can explore music, instruments, and music production.
It gives a hand-on experience to allow students to figure out if they like to be a drummer, if they would like to be a keyboard player, or if any of those instruments don't work for them, maybe they want to be on the production side of it and see how you put all these instruments together and then produce some type of video, some type of podcast, anything dealing with music at our Orange Street Music Lab.
A lot of these students are wanting to get into the industry, don't know how. Some of them want to play the piano, don't know how. Some of them want to learn how to drums, don't know how. And so Sandhills is bringing that component with Parks and Rec to kind of put that hands-on experience with them. We're going to have drumming program workshops, we're going to have vocal workshops, we're going to have guitar jamming sessions. And these students are going to be able to kind of get a one-on-one experience.
But this program is about more than just music. It's an opportunity for positive change.
With this type of mentorship in the music arena, we want to kind of bring a positive affirmation to their lives. Some of these kids don't get that on a day-to-day basis. And so with this, we're giving it to one aspect of it in music, but I believe we're going to have individuals that'll be able to speak into their lives to show them a different direction in life to go. So music is a catalyst to bring about positive change into their life.
The workshops will take place on Saturdays, and the workshops will be starting at 11 a.m. And if you need to register, you can call my office at 910-433-1021, and we would love to see you all there.
Don't miss this opportunity for a youth to discover their passion for music. These free workshops at the Orange Street School are a place where creativity, confidence, and community come together. I'll see you next time.